This entire 3D scene was captured with just a phone. Normally, you'd need expensive scanners to do this, but this method is faster, cheaper, and surprisingly easy. It's called 3D gaussian splatting, and instead of building 3D models with meshes, it reconstructs scenes using thousands of tiny colored blobs, which are called gaussians. Each splat stores color, size, and orientation, and when you render millions of them together, they recreate an incredibly realistic 3D environment. And the crazy part is you can do this yourself with just a phone camera and free software. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, and how to create one from scratch. Before I show you how to do it, let me explain how it works. To reconstruct a 3D scene, we first capture many images of the same object from different viewpoints. Each image contains partial information about the scene, and by combining them we can estimate where points exist in 3D space. This leads to a cloud of 3D points representing the scene. A Gaussian is a mathematical function that describes how values fade smoothly away from a center point. The highest value is at the center, and the influence gradually decreases the farther you move away. This is important because the smooth falloff is what makes Gaussian splats blend nicely when rendered. Instead of representing a point as a single pixel in space, Gaussian splatting represents it as a small fuzzy blob. The center of the blob has the strongest contribution, and its influence gradually fades outward. Each blob stores information like position, size, color, and orientation. When we render the scene from a camera viewpoint, each 3D Gaussian is projected onto the image plane. Because of perspective, the blob usually appears as an ellipse, which is called a splat. A single Gaussian splat doesn't show much detail. But when thousands or millions of splats overlap, they blend together to reconstruct the full appearance of the scene. Each of these ovals is a single point, stretched to fill gaps. Now that you know what a Gaussian splat is, let me show you how to make one. All you need is a camera and a computer. The first thing you need to do is find something to Gaussian splat. Once you have that, take your camera and start recording a video. Orbit around your object until you have covered all sides. Once that is done, export your video into Luma AI. This website allows you to import a video and then pulls frames out and trains the Gaussian splat. This is what a finished splat looks like on Luma AI. Make sure to export, trim down, and edit your splats as needed. The more points that you leave in the splat, the larger the file size is going to be. You are now knowledgeable in the world of Gaussian splatting. Thanks for watching this video. Follow for more.